Why JavaScript is trash and the worst language in the history of computing. Let's be honest from the very beginning. JavaScript was never supposed to be here. This language was created in 1995 for just one purpose: to handle a few simple animations and basic form validation in the browser. No more, no less. But what about today? Front end, back end, mobile, desktop server, blockchain, artificial intelligence, and this is exactly where the disaster begins. The first major problem with JavaScript: unpredictable behavior. There are languages that throw errors. JavaScript, however, decides to guess what you meant. The second problem, it's not the language, it's the ecosystem that kills you. JavaScript itself might be small, but its ecosystem is a jungle. NPM, with millions of packages, many of which are unmaintained and dependent on other packages with unknown quality or written by a single person who might disappear tomorrow. A simple project can end up with thousands of dependencies just to make a button round. The third problem: every year a new way, never any stability. Angular, then React, then Vue, then Svelte, then Webpack, then Vite, then Rollup, then S-Build CommonJS, then ES modules, then something in between. Learning JavaScript means accepting the fact that your knowledge will become outdated very quickly. The fourth problem: async nightmares. Callback hell to promise to async/await. Each stage was supposed to fix the problem, but it only changed the shape of the problem. Debugging async code in JavaScript is still one of the most nerve-wracking programming experiences. The fifth problem: JavaScript is everywhere, even where it shouldn't be. This language is now being used for tasks it was never fundamentally designed for: large-scale systems, sensitive applications, long-lived projects. And the result? Layer upon layer of tools, abstraction on top of abstraction, and code that won't even run without tooling. If you've gotten angry up to this point and you work with JavaScript, I'm genuinely sorry. This text was not an attack on programmers. JavaScript is not bad. JavaScript is a historical decision with massive consequences, and this video was just a sharp, humorous critique, not a dismissal of the efforts of millions of developers. If you're still working with it, you're probably using it very well. We were just criticizing the language and, well, joking a bit too.